Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Medify air purifier filter after changing the filter. So over here, before resetting anything, you need to basically double check that the new filter is fully installed here. So if the new filter is fully installed, you just have to simply plug your purifier back in, and then you just have to simply turn it on. So the filter warning light may still be illuminated even after installing the new filter, and that is completely normal. Now the reset method depends on the Medify model that you are using. On most of the popular models, you just have to simply take a look at the filter reset button or the filter indicator button, and you need to simply press and hold that particular button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the filter light turns off. For the 40 models, what you need to do is you need to simply press and hold the fan speed button plus the ionizer buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds. And for the MA50 models, you just have to simply press and hold the dimmer button. Now in most of the Medify model, the power button holding for about 3 to 5 seconds is going to do the reset process. So once the light goes out, it means that the filter time has been successfully reset. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.